Art History 101. Let's learn about art history. Here are some key art movements we will be looking at. Prehistoric art, 2.5 million years ago. Ancient art, 6000 BC, 600 AD. Renaissance, 1300 AD, 1600 AD. Baroque, 1625 AD, 1700 AD. Romanticism, 1780 AD, 1830 AD. Realism, 1850 AD, 1900 AD. Impressionism, 1860 AD, 1900 AD. Modernism, 1860 AD, 1970 AD. Contemporary, 1950 AD. Now, note, art movements give background knowledge on different artworks and artists in history. Prehistoric art time period, 2.5 million years ago. Art in this age consisted of cave paintings, patterns, and carvings. People and animals were often depicted. Renaissance time period, 1300 AD to 1600 AD. Context: Renaissance translates to rebirth. This saw the re-emergence of traditional concepts and techniques. Key artists: Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, Raphael. Baroque time period, 1625 AD to 1700 AD. Context: starting in Europe, the Baroque art movement saw the use of drama, tension, and exaggerated movement in artworks. Baroque translates from the Portuguese word barroco, meaning irregular pearl or stone. Key artists: Rembrandt, Caravaggio, Johannes Vermeer. Romanticism time period, 1780 AD to 1830 AD. Context: Romanticism artworks saw high references to nature, emotion, and the individual. This art movement was a response to the Industrial Revolution. Key artists: Eugène Delacroix, Caspar David Friedrich, J.M.W. Turner.